guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you what I bought in the Black Friday period. So if you want to see what I bought in this period, please stick with me in this video. I just came from my work. It is Friday today, and I make myself a nice cup of coffee, and I want to enjoy my coffee and to show you guys what sales I found in Black Friday and what I have purchased. So you know that I am a big fan of cosmetic product, especially hair product. So this Black Friday I was buying a new silk pillowcase. I am so happy with my new silk pillowcase because it is so soft, and my hair feels so good when I sleep with this silk pillowcase. I highly recommend you, if you haven't tried yet, just to give it a chance to this silk pillowcase, because you will see a good improvement on your skin and also on your hair. So it is pricey, but you don't have to buy a lot of this pillowcase. I only have two and I rotate them, so it is a good investment for your hair. I brought this beautiful t-shirt from TAILOR. It is very comfy, and it is easier to wear it with jeans or maybe with a skirt. And also I have bought this blazer. It is very nice and it is casual, in a very soft material, something with cotton, with two buttons. This is in the shade blue navy, but I have one in gray, so I like this blazer so much. I first bought this in store, but I enjoy this blazer so much, so I decided to buy it online when I find it on sale. So with a t-shirt underneath, or with a dress, it is easier to pair and to have a nice put together look. Another piece is this nice blouse from C&A. This very soft material in this pink happy color. I also like more comfortable blouse, and also they fit very well, and they are warm, because in this cold season I like this type of blouse. If you see, the material is very soft and nice, and you will keep warm. Also in the same collection I found this on this gray color. It is approximately the same with the pink one. It is very soft and warm, and it feels very nice and cozy on skin, and it goes very well with jeans, with other type of leggings or some skirt. So I like this blouse so much, and now you can find it on sale. I will put the link where you can find it online. I have bought this type of shoes. These are from Anacoria, a Romanian brand, and they are from natural leather. I like this logo so much. They are comfy, and they aren't so high. So it keeps me comfortable during the day. So I needed a black pair of boots, because I only have on brown color, so this type can suit me very well with dresses and some nice jeans. So black, I guess, is the color that fits very well with a lot of clothes. For fashion, this is what I have bought. I also want to show you my new hairbrush. This is from OLIViA Garden, their Supreme Ceramic iron brush. It comes with nylon bristle and boar bristle. My hairdresser told me that wet brush that I was using for so many years, it isn't so good for my hair, so this is better. So I want to give it a try, and my hair feels very nice when I brush it. So I find it also on sale, and be very careful, because I was buying this type of brush in the past from another site, but wasn't so flexible and so good. So pay attention. Maybe you can take an advice from your hairdresser where you can find it, the original, not the fake or something like this. I was asking my hairdresser where I can find a good hairbrush, and she gave me the link of the site that I was buying this, and I see a huge difference from my old brush. I guess I donate my old hairbrush also from OLIViA Garden. Maybe it was the same type, or I give it to my mom. I don't remember very well, but I see a huge difference from this brush to the old one that I was buying from another site. So pay attention when you want to buy something, not to be fake or something that isn't so good. So beside of this, I was buying some new hair product, a new mask from Fanola and a leave-in from Alpha Parf. And I want to do a giveaway, my first giveaway on this channel. So it is open only for Europe, and I will make this giveaway with these two products. They aren't sponsored, they are by me, and I want to give to you. Just all you have to do is to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button on this video, and tell me in the comment section what video do you want to see in the future from my channel. There are just 3 conditions. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a commentary on this video to tell me what video you want to see next. So I hope I give you some inspiration. Maybe you also did some shopping on Black Friday, and I want to read your commentary to see what deals you found, and maybe you can find some inspiration for the Christmas that it is almost to 1 month from today, and all of us will be buying gifts, and we'll do some shopping, and it is easier just to have a list and to plan before the Christmas which product do you like, and which type of gift do you want to do to your family and your friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye guys.